Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Helper. In today's video, I will show you how to clear cache on Metamask. So let's get started. Launch your Metamask mobile application. Then tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once done, you land on a page where you need to tap on Privacy and Security. Next, scroll down a bit and you'll see options for Clear Privacy Data, Clear Browser History, and Clear Browser Cookies. Tap on Clear Browser Cookies, then tap on Clear. After that, tap on Clear Browser History, and then Clear again. Finally, tap on Clear Privacy Data, and then Clear. If you want to manage connections, tap on the appropriate section where you will see all the websites you have visited via MetaMask. To clear any of them, to clear the MetaMask cache, go to your device settings, scroll down and tap on Apps, then tap on Manage Apps. In the search bar, type MetaMask. Once you find MetaMask, tap on it. In the App Info section, tap on Clear Cache, then tap on Clear Cache again, and that's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.